All right, everybody. Welcome to another session of Pixeltests. My name is Jan Seti. I'm the founder. So let's get started straight away into the community session. So previously we were editing a resume, and I'm going to share that right now. Give me 1 second as I bring that up. What we were doing is we looked at one resume and we're trying to, polish it up so that it becomes very friendly for, recruiters, etc. And the ATS score, the applicant tracking system, increases. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, we finished the title. We finished the objective, executive summary, professional certifications, front-end projects developed. So let's get this. And we started the employment. So employment is a very, very important section. So let's go here. Okay, so now today is going to be a short session. So we're going to be working on this part, right? Let's look at these. So the date has to be fixed a little. Let's fix this date. Yeah. April. That's quite some time. Okay. I'm fixing the date here. Okay, I fixed the date. Job profile and responsibilities. Let's get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of senior safety officer. Rewriting this underground cavern, crude oil storage. Okay, that looks good. Put ISPRL project. So let's put the name of the company at the beginning, right? Yeah. Okay, this looks good. Now let's write his roles and responsibilities. Again, senior safety officer. This part we can get rid of, right? And we get HMEL. Let's get this guy. Cool. So we can get rid of this. All right. For those of you, if this is your first, community session, type FT, first time in the chat box. Would love to know. And if you are signing in for the first time, would request you to, hit subscribe and like, because we do drop periodically some awesome sessions. I think this date is beginning to bother me. October 2000 until when? He's not put an end date. I'm assuming it's October 2000 to January 2005. So let's just keep this here. Okay, let's get rid of this. Next, what do we do? HMEL, Hindustan Petroleum Metal Energy. Okay, let's keep this. For consistency, I'm going to write all of them just smaller case. Every word is important in your resume, guys, so don't neglect it. I got rid of that. Let me get rid of it. He's saying he's in charge of HSC. Successfully implemented HSC management system and in charge of total project. Okay, I got rid of that. I've changed. Can you see the difference I made? If you've seen the difference I made, type CLR for clear, guys. What I did is the paragraph that was below, I just put it up. So sometimes, you have to shuffle the words a little bit. Come on, Arun, Ashad, Mr. Prasad, Kubla Ravi Shankar, Manjot, Praveen, Sandhya, Shivakumar, good to see you again. Shiva, Soumitra, Tariq, I think this is your CV, so I'm editing that. Udaya, Vignesh, and Venkatrao. Okay, so I got rid of that. So I'm going to put this like this. Get rid of the italics. In charge of the total project. Project at Patinda. Okay, this looks good now. Let's get the dates correct. So notice how I'm putting the dates towards the right side, guys. Keep all the dates neat and clean like that. This looks good. Now I'm going to edit his 1990 to 2000 April 2005. So let's go back here. Safety. Petroleum Corporation Limited. So got rid of that. There's a company, seems like this company is called Albus Engineering. Okay, got rid of that. Jan to April. Okay. So this one, what I'll do is safety engineer, blah, blah, blah. Seems like we could do a little bit of. Okay, I got it under one line. Okay, that looks much better. Involved in HSE management construction. Okay, this we can. HSC management. And HSC management construction commissioning activity in refinery revamp projects in NHT, CRU, CDU, VDU. Okay, this seems interesting. HSC management construction commissioning activity in refinery revamp projects in NHT /CRU /CDU, VDU, and CAP2. And honestly, I'm not too sure about these words, so I'm going to take it as is. Just doing some basic checks. Okay, so I'll let go of this. And now, before we end, we're going to be changing the academia, guys, because it's the education for academia. No need to using any fancy jargon. So we finished employment. We're going to finish education. So typically keep it one line, simple and clean. Just say Bachelor of Technology. So BTech, you need a branch. I don't know what the branch is, but I'm just going to make like an assumption. Most people are mechanical engineering, so I'll just say it could be wrong, but it's not here. There is no 979 to April. You don't really need the specific month when, but that's fine. Let's write it down. Okay, and yeah, you can just say national. This is a really good institute. You don't need to write look at the spelling of. Yeah, just copying the spelling of this. Okay. Just say first class. Okay, we got that. And yeah, there you go. That took care of that. I wouldn't really write computer knowledge, blah, blah, blah. Instead of this, you just simply say, stuff like interests or something like hobbies. Just say running, triathlon. These are my interests. So just write something like that. That's enough. Just keep it simple. Okay, let's pretend I got rid of that line. And with that, we come to the end of this wonderful resume. So it took us about 3-4 sittings, and we clearly, very nicely removed, cleaned up and formatted most of the resume to a style that we like. It's simple, clean. Look at all the font. It's neat. It's 12. It's Arial. It's single spacing. There's nothing fancy. It's okay. And keep it simple and clean, right, guys? Employment's neatly kept and education. That's enough. This is more than enough. All right. So for those of you who are in the session, I would request everybody to, make sure you develop your resumes and CVs with simple formatting and simple steps. And we will, come back to another session. And next time we will take another resume or any other tips that we have on interview mastery, maybe perhaps how to negotiate, etc. So until next time, thank you so much for your time, right?